This is a very simple and easy product. As you can see, it's a mouse highlighter. So a mouse highlighter is especially useful when you do some presentations and you need to show people where you're clicking. So for instance, if you want them to show this software of mine, Bohemicos, you want to show them how it actually works, then as you can see, the mouse highlighter highlights the position of my mouse pointer so people can clearly see where I am clicking. As you can see, this pen highlighter or this mouse pointer highlighter is called Click Here. It's very easy. You just have 5 colors to choose from. So it depends on where you click. You can change the opacity. You can also change the diameter of the mouse pointer and also its shape. And that's about it. The advantage of this software is that it doesn't require any installation. It's very fast. You just click and you have your mouse pointer available. And I created this software because I was hugely unsatisfied with the competitors' product, because their product sometimes worked, sometimes not, and I was just always angry using it. So this is why I created this Click Here software product.